Pond skaters communicate by creating ripple signals across the water's surface, and they do that by moving their legs as they're walking across the water. Welcome back! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about pond skaters. Grab a pen or a marker, a piece of paper, and some colors. All right, let's draw. First, what we're going to do is draw the head. I'm going to do two little eyes. And then we're going to draw kind of a curved triangle. And close it. And then we're going to draw the reverse triangle with a line down the center. We'll draw out the antenna. And then the front two legs are going to come a little bit below the eyes and out. Did you know that pond skaters can shoot across the water's surface at 100 body lengths per second? They are extremely fast. Now let's draw the armored shell. It's going to look a little bit like a kite. The tip will be back here hidden. So if you were drawing the kite from here, draw in the center, and then we're going to draw the bottom like a diamond, and then a line down the center, not all the way, and then the rest of the body is we're going to draw it to about here, and it's going to be a curved line. Pond skaters are typically found in fresh bodies of water, like rivers, streams, ponds, and lakes. Some of their predators include fish, toads, frogs, and birds. And then we can draw the rest of the legs. So from the center, come out, and then repeat that. Two in the back, come down a little bit lower, repeat that, and then we're going to draw the lines across the back of the shell. Pond skaters have a hard armored shell and they can walk on water. Their body and their legs are covered by tiny little hairs that trap air and prevent them from sinking. Now you can add in some designs on the back. I like to use dots. And since this little guy's in the water, let's do some ripple effects. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Go ahead and enjoy the music and a few more fun facts while you color your artwork. Pond skaters have three sets of legs. The front two are used to catch their prey. The middle two act like paddles, and the rear two act like steering and brake system. Did you know that pond skaters like to eat insects and spiders that get too close to the water? Their favorite food is mosquito larvae. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.